Welcome back to the Six Figure Revenue channel where I interview business owners that teach people how to start a business. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about this YouTube channel and how much money I made and how I started it and stuff like that. And feel free to ask any questions, comment below, and let's get into it. All right, let's dive into this. So this past 28 days, I've gotten 213,000 views and made $2,264. Let's click on this revenue here. So I was doing better in November. It dropped off. I think it dropped off due to, let me go back here. Due to this video right here, it doesn't get that good of RPMs, but I made this video, look at that, it just took off. So I asked strangers if they would get $100 cash or 1 Bitcoin. And a lot of people said they'd take the $100 cash, which is just wild. But as you can see here, it's getting a lot of views per day. And then in the revenue, let's go 28 days. So the RPM is $3.42. And that's what I get paid every 1,000 views. But on my other videos, I'm getting paid anywhere from like $7 to $15. So that makes a huge difference. Let me go back here. Let's see. But yeah, right there, you can see the average revenue or RPM, $10.89. Whoops. $10.89, and that's way higher than the Bitcoin video. So these are the best videos this past month. This one's a newer video that I posted, $468. All these are a little bit older. These two are from three are from last year, maybe even the year before on the painting. But yeah, so they're still making money every single day, and I post like once a month, once every 3 weeks. I want to post once a week. It's just very, very hard to get interviews. So I try my best to do it as frequently as possible. It's just very tough to get interviews. And let's see here. So we'll go over to 2024. Let's go to this first. 2024. So we have 3 million views. You can see this graph here. It's pretty steady throughout the whole year. Kind of going down towards the end of the year. It's probably just because I posted way less this year than I did the previous year. And overall, $23,666 made. And like I was saying earlier about the RPM, so we average on all those videos $7.79. One of the best videos on the channel is this hot dog food trailer business that I did. Super fun one. I drove like 3 hours to this food truck and then filmed at like 11 p.m. till like 1 a.m. And then I came back home at like 3 in the morning or whatever, 3 or 4. And it worked out because it ended up being my best video. But yeah, I posted it last year, so this year it's just keeps getting views, and it's gotten me $2,200. This barbecue food truck I did post this year. This one was in Florida, and I've made $1,200 on it so far. And the painting video here, this is my very first video. Very first video of, not of the channel, but very first video of like interviewing business owners. And it's one of my friends, and he owns a painting business and is an artist. But like just this year, we've made $1,233 from it, and it's been out for 2.5 years. So it just keeps making money. That's what YouTube is. But yeah, I work on like 6 other channels, so I spend a certain amount of time on this per week and try to get interviews. Sometimes I'm successful and sometimes I'm not. But one of the biggest things is these videos are all very long-term videos. So people are going to be searching how to start a painting business, how to start a laundromat business, how to start a food truck forever. So I can hopefully say that these will continue to make money forever, or however long YouTube continues to pay out money, which I can't see it going away anytime soon. Let's go back. All right, I'm gonna show you overall on this channel. So where is it? Lifetime. $38,000, and my first day of pay was right here, March 23rd, 2023. So in about 4 months, it'll be 2 years of getting paid on this channel. I started the channel way in 2022 or 2021, but it took me that long just to get monetized. And to get monetized, you got to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which can take some time if you're just making videos and don't really have a direction, which I didn't. And then some of these videos started doing well, and this kind of became my direction. I started off doing like street interviews and asking people questions about random stuff or financial stuff. And I enjoyed doing that, but I also, once again, that was also hard to make content, kind of similar to this, but it seemed very random and didn't have like its own niche, and I didn't really find a good niche for it. And I think this was the right direction. But moving forward, I think we're just gonna continue to try to make more and more videos, and eventually I'm sure I'll come up with another business idea behind this to help people out in some way, or have them be able to connect to business owners one-on-one, something like that. I've been brainstorming stuff. I'm not really 100% sure on what I want to do, but right now this is something that I put in like an hour a week max on, and it generates me money. And that's pretty much what the goal was for it. So hopefully I can continue to do that, but let's see if we can find anything else interesting. Lifetime. All right, so like I said, this hot dog stand, 1.2 million views. Another hot dog stand. Hot dogs are so popular, it's wild. 448,000 views. Pretty big jump there in between. And then we got the pizza food truck, pressure washing. This one was really good. Let's see. Barbecue food truck, firewood, side hustle. I do a lot of food videos, and it's because it's so much easier to like get the videos done, because there's so many people, or so many like food truck owners that are out there that they want their business advertised. They want to show off what they're doing. And also on the other end, people love food, and they love watching food being made or people talking about food. And I enjoy doing those. But yeah, these are my top videos for the past 2.5 years, or however long I've been doing it. And comment down below what videos you want to see. I will try my best to get those done. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that was the other thing. One last thing. So here's the videos I posted this year. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No, that's not even 15. Did I just count that wrong? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 videos. I posted 14 videos this year, and I've made $23,000. So it's not that bad. Not a bad gig. what is that, like $1,700 per video, something like that. Not bad, I'll take it. But yeah, I'm gonna assume that next year will be very similar. Probably post somewhere between 10 and 20 videos. But if there's a way for me to get out more content, I'm always gonna try to do that. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. If you have any suggestions or any businesses that you would want us to try to interview or make a video on, we'll try our best to make it happen. And I appreciate everyone watching these. I love doing YouTube, and I love meeting small business owners, and everything's looking good on the channel. And yeah, thanks for hanging out. I'm kind of just like splurting stuff out, but I just want to make it raw and authentic because this is who I am, and I just want to chat. But thanks so much, and have a Merry Christmas. I think the video will be out after Christmas, but I'm filming it on December 22nd right now. And have a great new year, and we'll see you in 2025. Thanks, guys. Completely forgot to add this. Last year we made $14,469, and then this year we made about $9,200 more. So going up.